This is Randy with Schulenberg Realty, and coming soon we have this really nice ranch home that's affordable in the city of Rolling Meadows. I just want to give you a quick tour of the outside, and this should be coming on the market in the next 2 weeks. The back of the property is beautiful. This is the large yard, all fenced in, which includes a shed, a little fire pit area, and in the back is a big addition that was put on from the original home that was built in the 1950s. The deck is attached to the garage and has a nice little breezeway on the side where the owner has vegetable gardens. Coming through to the front, or towards the side of the home, this is the entrance to the detached two-car garage. We have a nice large garage with concrete drive. The owner has taken great pride in the outside of the home and really keeps it looking nice. The inside, though, will need some work. This is a great opportunity for somebody that likes to put a little bit of sweat equity into a home and get some really good value on the other side. So if you or somebody you know is interested in this home, give me a call, 224-805-2616.